This is Zimbabwe, and this is its future. A 500 million project that's changing everything. In just a few years, this place will have luxurious apartments, Africa, tallest tower, and even a new financial hub. But the big question is, will it work? Today, I'm here to find out.
So this road is the one which comes from a new parliament, the newly built parliament. And one day I know I will give you the full video for the parliament. I know it's illegal, but I will. I know I will give you, because it's something that's nice. So here is the site for Zim Cyber City. What you see there is the current progress. That's where the offices are, and that's the entrance. And on the right side, that's where the progress is taking off, and they have already built some roads, as you can see. And then there are three flats buildings that are being built there. I don't know how long will they be, but I just know there are three. They are under construction there. You can see they are now at 30%. So this is the outcome. That's what they are trying to do. They're trying to build like flats. I don't think this one you need a what do you call it? A fan. I don't think you need with this type of buildings. They will cool themselves. They are like Eastgate. This is the future, guys. This is 20, I don't know what we call 2050 or what. And I don't think these streets will have some vendors. But as you can know, Zimbabwe vendors will be everywhere. So this is the bridge. I forgot the name of the bridge. So this side, some they call it Mount Hampden, some they call it Good Hope. So that's the community, and it's growing. Like I can say it's now complete, because I don't think there are still stands. They are still selling stands there. And after that we got a farm, a big farm. I forgot who owns them. Maybe use it or what, because someone else told me about the farm. So there, I think you will find a stand there, because they are still under development, those houses. But they are very nice. They are nice houses. Some they build double-story houses. Some they are building the clusters. Obvious, everywhere you go in Zimbabwe, you just see a cluster. Obvious, I wish we included in every video. I'm shika, you know. So we were now just near Westgate, and the road is very nice, smooth. I think you can walk barefooted that road. I don't think you get anything. So yeah, the houses, they are very nice, guys. I don't want to lie, they are very nice. Some of them they slow progress, but you can see that they are doing great job, because their houses, they are very, and they are well. There's security everywhere. You see a boom gate. Even during the night, you won't get into the community like you are passing through or doing anything, because they have tight security.